Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, papalapit na nga ang concert ng SB19 dito sa Pilipinas, no? Kanilang homecoming concert. Actually, tomorrow na yon, no? Ngayong sinushoot ko tong video na to, today is April 17, 2026. So, tomorrow is the concert. So, I am really excited para sa mga manunood, no? Again, hindi tayo makapanood. Nakakalungkot, but ganoon talaga. But, yeah, I mean, I'm really excited sa lahat ng manunood, and I hope you guys enjoy the concert. Of course you will, man. It's SB19. But today we're gonna talk about and react to few videos na sinad sa atin, no? The first one is "This Changed Everything." Does Simon Cowell know SB19? And the other video is SB19 handa na sa concert pati sa Lollapalooza at Summer Sonic Music Festival. Let's get into it.
What if I told you Simon Cowell might already know SB19? Yeah, the same Simon Cowell who created some of the biggest global boy groups. Because recently, something happened that has fans seriously questioning everything.
Wait, some of the biggest boy group? Do you mean One Direction? But parang ang dating parang marami, no? Or parang, pwede mong bilangin sa kamay. But I guess ang maano natin is One Direction, right? Like just 1D, right?
It started with
Comment down below kung meron pa siyang ibang boy group na ginawa na sumikat talaga.
a recent interview. A boy group formed under Simon Cowell was asked about SB19. And they didn't hold back. They praised their talent and artistry.
Have you heard any Filipino music?
I haven't. Well, I heard a little bit, only a little bit. I haven't heard much though. I'd like to hear more. Philippine music. Have you heard any Philippine music?
SB19.
Oh yeah, SB19 is great.
Legends.
Yeah, they're
Very
Their
popular.
music is
Oh,
so good.
nice.
I was listening to the new song Visa. Is that the new one?
Yeah,
Yeah, and they have their album dropping.
Oh, he knows Visa.
Big up to them lot.
Man, updated to, no?
See everyone else.
amazing. Are you willing to collaborate with them if
Oh
ever?
my god, that'd be great. That'd be so cool. Their music is really good. So, but we'll see. Well, yeah, hopefully one day.
But here's where it gets interesting.
That's nice.
Because back
I mean, I'm sorry. It's a bit OA, no? Kung sabihin na they didn't hold back, to praise SB19. No, parang they didn't hold back. I mean, one of them knows SB19, which is that's very nice, no? Yeah. Na off lang ako sa they didn't hold back.
on December 10th, that same group actually visited SB19's 1Z Entertainment office
Oh,
and
okay.
even filmed content together.
This one. Okay. Guess who's singing? I feel like let's
Filmed
listen to this.
content together.
Okay, so based dun sa vocal na pakinggan natin, no, isa sa pinaka-recognizable dun is kay Pablo. Pablo is isa sa mga kumakanta, no? And as you can see, yung sa higher note dun, parang contrast yung pitch kay kay Stellion. So we all know na Pablo and Stellion is singing in here. Yeah, you hear that? It's Stel. I mean, Ken is not even trying. This fucking guy, man. Ken is not even trying, man. That's why you're my boy, man. I'm sorry. Ngayon ko na-realize, no? Okay, singing in here. And then he gave up. No, he gave up. Mamamatay ako dito. Sabi niya, what's the point? Ang dami-dami natin dito, no? And two of the, the person that is singing is sobrang recognizable ng boses, si Pablo and Sestel. So what's the point? What's the point? I feel like there's two more singing. It could be this guy. Or this guy. Give me 1 second. Nah, not Hendrik. Not Hendrik is like, you know, his expression is OA. Yeah, this guy is singing. This guy is singing. Hindi ko makita kung sino yung isa. I'm sorry.
Now the connection feels a lot.
I guess either this guy or this guy, Sean and Nicholas. But sure ako Stel and Danny and Pablo is singing.
Now the connection feels a lot deeper. So
A
think
lot
about it.
deeper?
They know SB19, they've met
Okay.
them, and there's already content out there. Plus, SB19 has a big concert this April 18th. Coincidence or setup? Which brings us back to the big question. If a group formed by Simon Cowell is this familiar with SB19, does that mean Simon Cowell himself already knows them too? Because let's be real, connections like this usually don't happen without someone noticing. And
Okay.
are we about to see a surprise collab on stage? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for
Okay. All right. This changed everything. That Simon Cowell know SB19. It's not actually not. It doesn't actually change everything. So it's parang medyo I don't know. Kasi again, that's nice. Now we have connection. For example, Simon Cowell actually knows SB19. Most probably, Simon Cowell knows SB19. No, Simon Cowell is working on music industry and actively looking for artists na pwede niyang i-elevate kumbaga daw, which is the last time na if I remember the last time na na-elevate niyang which is hindi naman talaga siya, no, but he's the one who created it, is One Direction. And then One Direction actually delivers, so lumaki siya ng sobra-sobra kasi there's a lot of groups na nilabas din ni Simon Cowell, like Fifth Harmony, right? You gotta go to work. Yeah, I mean, again, hindi naman talaga sobrang, for me, hindi naman talaga sobrang lumaki yung Fifth Harmony. I mean, they have few banger songs and trending songs, but it's mid at best, man. What is that other girl group? Fifth Harmony, Lil Mix, man. Nah, Lil Mix is just, I mean, kasi, mainstream, no? Kaya nakilala sila, but they never actually become like fucking globally super popular and big as One Direction. So, the last time that may ginawa si Simon Cowell na grupo na sobrang lumaki is One Direction. And that was what, like almost a decade ago. But yeah, it doesn't actually change everything, no? It's an opportunity. Another door na nagbukas for SB19. So they have options. I mean, SB19, and they own 1Z, and since nung nagano sila, naging independent sila. I mean, all of their decision naman is is tama, no? Nagilid sa kanila sa kung nasan sila. And it doesn't change the fact na gusto nila na maabot yung world domination, right? I mean, makilala nila si Simon Cowell or kilala sila ni Simon Cowell, I mean, that's great, you know? Just another connection. But I feel like hindi naman siya ganoon kalaking bagay para this changed everything, man. Oh my God, this changed everything. SB19 is the new One Direction now. Nah, man, that's not the case. But I would say that's also an opportunity, no? Simon Cowell might invite SB19 to perform on like shows or like British Got Talent, you know, something like that. But again, I feel like hindi natin gustong masyadong ilagay yung SB19 sa toxic mainstream ng ibang bansa. I mean, maganda na maano yung kanta nila sa mainstream, but I still want them to be independent. Of course, they're gonna be independent, but kung masyado silang ma-attach sa mga like producers and labels in Hollywood, I feel like masyado silang yun doon. But Yanni knows how to handle this. You know, all I'm trying to say is just an opportunity, I guess. No, hindi siya sobrang this changed everything now. Oh, change everything. Oh, fuck's sake. Well, yeah. SB19 and that is a concert, but it's Lollapalooza at Summer Sonic Music Festival.
Sa concert niyo this weekend.
This is, by the way, from Von Belinario, you know? Von Belinario.
Percentage na preparation, gano'n na kayo ka-prepare for the concert this weekend?
Ngayon po, masabi ko po 99%. Kasi syempre po ilang araw na lang.
Hey.
Okay. Pero yung 1% is because
I love the confidence, man.
syempre we wanted to do we need to run po sa stage, matry yung mga technical.
Ito nyo ba yung stage, no? Oh, man. I'm so sad na ma-miss ko tong concert na to. No? I'm so sad, guys. Lalo tuloy ako nalungkot. Hindi ko na nga siya iniisip itong mga nakaraan eh. Kasi nakakalungkot eh.
So we're very excited and we're very ready na rin to show the world, the universe rather. Joke lang. yung concert namin this wakas at simula. Ang daming first time pa lang namin i-perform na new songs dun sa aming latest album. So
Yes.
let's go. Malaki to.
By the way, amazing album, no? Amazing album, by the way.
Siguro yun nga po, nabanggit namin before na ito rin yung pinakamalaking concert na gagawin namin in terms of production and the people.
Oh my God, man. I am so sad. I'm just sad, man. Guys, I'm fucking sad. Ngayon sinasabi ni Pablo na this is the biggest na pinagandaan nilang concert. I'm fucking sad. I don't know why I'm doing an ASMR. Can you hear me, guys? Yeah, this is an ASMR. I'm so sad, man. This is a mistake. Napinanood ko tong video na to, no? Shit. Well, the reason why we're doing this video basically is for me to catch up with the updates because recently nung nalaman ko na hindi pala ako makapanood, no? Again, nalungkot ang inyong lingkod. So, I try to avoid few things. I feel like gusto ko sana mag-catch up before the concert, but sabi ko sa sarili ko, I mean, hindi naman siguro masama, no? Na catch up few information and a few news about SB19, no? Before a day before the concert, but man, lalo lang ako nalungkot, no? Nalungkot naman ako doon. So, hearing Pablo saying na this is one of the most, the biggest concert na pinagandaan nila. Tapos, man.
Banggit namin before na ito rin yung pinakamalaking concert na gagawin namin in terms of production and the people involved and guests that we have, parang international guests. So,
Be First, you guys needs to perform Toy Friend. You guys need to perform Toy Friend. Jolene, again, as well. Jolene, emoji.
we're very excited and talaga namang yung ibang mga tao galing pa ng ibang bansa lilipad para makapanood ng concert namin. So talagang pinag-iigihan namin and talagang pinupulido namin lahat ng mga kailangan ayusin. Actually, di ba kami nakapunta dun sa stage, sa venue, pero Pinipicturean kasi ng team namin, pinapakita sa amin. Sobrang nakaka-excite po talaga.
Speaking of, the 18 have something to look forward to rin. Siyempre, ito nga yung lalapag sa ng voice.
Ano daw? Hindi ko marinig.
18 have something to look forward to rin. Siyempre, ito nga yung lalapag sa ng voice. Yung music festival sa Tokyo.
Hindi ko marinig.
You've always been elevating P-pop in global stage. Pero itong performances ninyo sa Chicago and sa Tokyo, paano pa nito mas mapapaangat ang P-pop sa global platforms?
Okay, ang naintindihan ko lang sa yung pinaka-uli sabi niya, paano nila papangat yung P-pop sa global platform. Okay, sure.
I think po yung idea na may mga Filipino act po in that kind of big shows is I think isa na pong patunay na umaangat na talagang P-pop. Kasi
True. Like,
or ang
recently, Beanie sa Coachella. And also, I just want to say, I just want to address this. I mean, I just want to say, goddamn, uminit yung ulo ko na roller coaster of emotion sa video na to, no? So, may mga nababasa ako na, asa na yung SB19, nandito na yung Beanie sa Coachella, no? Na ganyan, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Like, ang daming fans na sobrang antatanga, no? Anto-toxic na pinag-aano nila, pinagkukumpara nila. Tapos yung SB19 and Beanie, nagko-congratulations sa isa't isa, no? Proud sa isa't isa. Tapos yung mga fans is nakakaurat, no? Nakakaurat. May kita mo yung Beanie and, they congratulate SB19 for Lollapalooza, no? SB19 congratulates Beanie to Coachella, and also after the performance, no? They're so proud because, again, Filipino act in Coachella. Tapos yung mga fans, no? Yung mga fans pa ang may magsabi ng ganyan, no? Na wala nga kayong ambag. Alam ko, fans kayo, no? Isa kayo sa dahilan ko bakit, pero, still, ang main doon, kung ba't sila sa Coachella, is the talent, no? Yung talent ng Beanie. No, hindi dahil kayo, no? hindi porket sobrang dami ng fandom ng isang artist, magaling na yung artist, no? Hindi doon nababase yung galing ng artist, no? So, parang alam mo 'yon, nakakaurat lang eh. And again, hindi lang naman sa Bloom, no? Pati sa 18, meron tayong mga kasama sa fandom na din no? Like sobrang dinidis din yung yung performance ng Beanie sa Coachella out of the blue. Like, why, guys? Come on, man. Damn. Kermi.
OPM scene. Kasi parang before naman po,
Heat up. God
we know
damn.
that there's a lot of opportunities for our mga musicians or artists dito. Pero I think parang bihira po kasi tayong magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng opportunity. Well, dati meron naman po. Pero ito po kasi parang something big po talaga to, especially for us na until now we see na pa rin po kami, parang starting pa rin po starting artist, parang ganun parang hanggat maaari po tinatry po namin i-keep yung paa namin sa lupa kasi with this big opportunities or mga
Alam niyo kung bakit na maintain nila yung ganyang mentality, no? Kasi again, on this level of popularity ng isang artist, madaling pumasok sa utak ng artist na malaki ko na, no? Na pumasok yung fame sa nila, makonsume yung utak nila. The reason why SB19 actually maintain this, mentality of being, 10 toes down sa lupa, no, is because they're aiming for a bigger stage and, bigger dream. Again, it's world domination. So, kaya sabi na parang starting artist pa rin sila. Because again, they feel like hindi pala naaabot yung gusto nilang maabot, no? Yung goal kasi nila is manapakalayo. That's the reason why na di pa sila nakokontento sa ganito kasi again, this is not their goal. Diba? This is not their goal. They are in the process of it, no? But this is not the end goal, no? Kaya I feel like that's the reason why na-maintain nila yung mentality na again, let's still be humble, no? Yung apoy as andun pa rin. Kasi again, maraming mga artists na porket sumikat na, no? Na parang they feel like, I'm already a classic artist, no? I'm a legendary. I don't have to actually try anymore. People will just, kahit gumawa ko ng mediocre song, people will listen to it. I'm still gonna get paid at the end of the day. May mga ganong artists kasi nagiging complacent na sila since sikat na sila. But since SB19 actually aiming for, a bigger goal, may apoy pa rin, no? May apoy pa rin sa kanilang damdamin, no?
Milestones na nangyayari. Ayaw po namin siyang umangat sa ulo namin kasi baka po may magbago or hindi
Yeah,
naman po sa
sure.
ganun talaga yung mindset. Pero I think itong mga ganitong klaseng opportunity is something to look forward, especially for us. And we just want to share it hindi lang po sa aming global or international audiences. I think we want to share this din sa mga fans namin na nandito and other artists na nandito sa Pilipinas na nag-root din po for us. Hindi lang po ito para sa amin. Ginagawa rin po namin ito para sa buong industry. And we hope na proud po sila sa amin. And
We
ayun
are,
po,
man.
lagi po namin sinasabi na
We
kung
are.
ano man po yung nararating namin ngayon, it's not only us, it's our team and yung supporters namin and of course yung mga taong nag-root po sa amin. So excited po talaga kami sa mga upcoming ganaps po namin. So we're very thankful po talaga na maraming naniniwala sa amin sa SB
Bakit naninitig si Josh ng gano'n? Alam mo?
namin and of course yung mga
Dami
taong
bigla
nag-root
tong
po sa amin.
maninitig.
So excited po talaga kami sa mga upcoming ganaps po namin. So we're very thankful po
tinitigan
talaga
ka
na
na.
maraming naniniwala sa amin
Hey.
sa SB19. And of course, sana po hindi lang kami, sana more artists, more OPM artists or kung sino pa mo po ma-invite sa mga ganitong klaseng mga stages po. Because we deserve to be known po in big
Yeah.
stages.
Yep.
Wala pa po. Kasi right now, we're very focused po on our upcoming concert. Kasi super big po siya and super grabe po yung gusto naming ibigay na energy and yung maiiwan naming tatak ng SB19 with our upcoming concert. So, we're very focused muna on this. Siguro, after neto, doon po kami magpo-focus and we promise you guys na itong performance namin is not like any performances na nagawa na namin. Of course, we will level up and scale everything with the help of our team and of course, ayaw naman namin ma-disappoint po yung Filipino community sa gagawin po
Yeah.
namin. So we make sure na gagawin po talaga namin lahat para maging proud po kayo and maging deserving po kami sa stage na binigay sa amin.
Let's
So,
go. Very well said. Oh, yun na yun. Naputol na doon. Naputol na doon. Bigla-bigla. Alright. Well, I hope you guys are getting excited, no? Lalo sa nabanggit nila doon na, again, this is the biggest concert na gagawin nila production-wise. Most probably, performance, we all know they're giving always their 110%, but production-wise, it's gonna add some, new experience to you guys, no? Na unforgettable experience. Most probably, and sana andun din ako. So hindi, no? Shit! Yeah, that is our reaction for today, no? Just, catching up to updates with SB19, and I hope you guys have a great day, no? Most probably, iba sa inyo naghahanda na ngayon for tomorrow, but yeah, ingat kayo palagi, and you have a great day. See you on the next video.